I am so honored to be here. I cannot think of an audience I'd be more honored to perform for than some teachers, workers in education, nurses. You all are the heart and soul and backbone of this country. And I just admire you and stand in solidarity with you. In your union, my mom was a public school teacher. My mother-in-law's a nurse. I'm very happy to be here. I don't want to have to compromise. I don't want to have to beg for crumbs from a country that doesn't care what I say. I don't want to follow in old footsteps. I don't want to be a meek little pawn in games they play. I want to march in the streets. I want to hold up a sign with millions of women with passion like mine. I want to shout it out loud in the wide open light till our generation has made things right. Yes, I want to know how it feels when we finally finish the fight. Should I try to take the lead alone? But it's probably impossible. Well, my ideas just dwindle and die. Try to remember what your mother taught you. When you dip your pen in ink, you can't quit till it runs dry. You gotta kick down the doors of the mightiest men till they never dare to deny us again. You gotta disrupt their days, make a fire ignite. No, our generation won't play polite. Just picture the look in their eyes when we finally finish the fight. Go say goodbye to the world my mother and grandmothers knew. Will I truly be able to change it? Well, if not me, then who? So I'll make my own team and I'll raise up my hand until we're rewriting the love land. Then we'll unfurl our flag, purple, gold, and white. And centuries of silence will end that night. There's this incessant unrest rumbling deep in my chest, and I'll never be free or complete, not unless I am there on the day when we finally finish the fight. I'll be there on the day when we finally finish the fight. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I've tried to appreciate, we're not going to finish these fights for equality and justice in our lifetimes. We're in it for the long haul, right? There's a quote from the Talmud that I always look to in my organizing and activism work, which is, you are not obligated to complete the work, but neither are you free to abandon it. Solidarity forever!